This trail is just over 1 mile in length and easy moderate difficulty. Alright, let's go see cellar holes and shit. Yeah? I'll make you stay. I love nature reserves and preserves. I do. It's too loud for the bears to come out. This fucking human machinery is too loud. I really wish we would outlaw cars. Go back to like horse and buggy, dirt roads, concrete is weird. Yo, woman, yo. Yeah. Is it a loop? A lollipop loop? I can't breathe. My allergies are killing me. Well, actually, this weekend, so Saturday, I went to like a family celebration of life party. There's like a shit ton of people there. And then I went to another family party on Sunday. I went to a baby shower. And I was around a lot of people. So I got a lot of germs. And I don't have an immune system, so I'll probably die tomorrow. Ooh, is this the cellar hole? It is. Is this really gonna loop? I mean, I guess we'll just trust that it's gonna loop. It didn't say, they need to start specifying lollipops. Fuckers, that's not a loop, that's a lollipop loop. Alright, interesting. Nobody walks out here. Safe to assume. Okay. Where are the blazes? Oh, there's a bench. Oh. Huh, cool, I love that. Somebody put a log on 2 rocks. There is something down there. What is that, a slab of something? Slab of wood. This Is this really gonna loop? Oh, we might be looping back. I can't breathe, bitches. What a game trail. That doesn't give you a very good review. Oh, there's a blaze. They're really far apart, peeps. What's going on? The tire. The asshole leaves the tire. Rude. Oh. Stop going up, motherfucker. Zoe's such a good hiker, oh my god. Can't really see it. Oh, look at the door. I wonder though. It looks denny, doesn't it? Who lives in that hollow tree? Well, somebody definitely lives in it, but like, what? Is it just bugs? Rodents? Moles, voles, rats, bugs, bobcat, what bitches? Here's an old letter. Can't read it. Oh, cool. Did somebody fall? Oh shit. There's a picnic table out here. Who is gonna walk that far to eat a lunch? Literally. Crazy. Wow, look at that. I think he's gonna crumble.
A salt and pepper shaker. No paper.
Yeah, my love. You're cool. I'm glad people didn't steal it. Alright, I get my baby to the park.